Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy named Yakov Carney. So basically, I went to the mall yesterday with my sisters, and we went to the store that I really like to go to a lot. And this is what I get all my clothes from. And the name of the store I go to, it's called Mania Jeans. Basically, it came from originally in 2002 in Israel, my hometown, and I went to the store because I wanted to impress this girl and I wanted to look nice when I go to temple for this Shabbat. And I wanted to show you guys what I got inside all the stuff. But before I show you that, I want to tell you what happened when I went inside the store. After I went to the store, I was kind of mad. And I was kind of mad at myself because I didn't get the stuff I wanted to get, but they had a different version of the shirts I wanted to get. But thank God that I had some faith that everything worked out. And man, their prices are ridiculous and so expensive. But thank you for everything, God. And I want to show you guys what I got. And I hope you guys like the video. And make sure to give me a big subscribe. Thank you. Now, back to the video. So, what we got here, it's called Mania Jeans, and it's a really amazing bag that they get you a big bag like that. It's amazing, and I don't even think you guys can see me like that. Wait, let me fix that. So I got this from Mania Jeans, and then we got another one, and it's another bag, and it's also another Mania Jeans. So basically, I got two of them, and so when I went to the store, Mania Jeans, remember I told you guys again that I didn't get all the stuff I wanted to get on Mania Jeans. So after that, I got all these clothes that I'm opening right now for you guys. And you're gonna see how beautiful their shirts are. So the first one I'm going to show you is the black shirt. The black shirt, fire. First thing I want to show you is the front. Look at the front, it is amazing. The back is amazing also. Look at this design, it's so art. I love art and this is what I like. And then what I got with the black shirt is a black pants, really nice black jeans. I think it's jogger, but it's really, really nice. And there's another one I want to show you, and it's also a Mania Jeans. And this is the jeans I got. Really sexy, really nice. And it's super, super skinny. It says right here, super skinny by Mania Jeans. Really nice. Tell me your comments about this one. I'm really impressed about this one. With this shirt I got from this pants. This is a really special shirt, and the reason why I like this shirt is that it's green, and I never owned something like this that is super green. Plus, I'm a Pisces, and I love green color, so it's a lucky color. Wear it all the time, and I really hope you guys like this color a lot. And I'm probably gonna fix all these clothes. And then after that, I got a very nice creamy shirt mixed with white and creamy and black. And this is really nice. You see the X? It's like a sign of saying Mania Jeans. And then after that, in the back is going to impress you. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a big ass X with a spray paint and with signs and stuff like that. And again, it's super expensive. And then after that, I got another one, and I own this pants, and it's matched with other pants, the shirt, and it's really, really nice. I'm not gonna lie. And after that, I almost forgot about one thing I also got. I got a suit, really nice suit. So I'm gonna show you the suit. Let me get this stuff. So I got a suit, but I can never find the other piece of the suit. Oh well, I'll find it later, but I'm sorry about that, guys. So basically, I just got a suit. This is the suit I got. Really, really comfortable to wear. Super skinny suit. And I'm gonna wear this in the wedding from my sister's-in-law. Get married this, I think, December. So it looks really nice on me. I look kind of professional with a suit. I look like a mafia. So I hope you guys like the video. Tell me your thoughts. Tell me your comments below, and tell me your thoughts about everything else. And make sure to give me a big like, and make sure to give me a big favor. Give me, if you guys can be super nice and give me 500 subscribers, that would be so wonderful. And I love you guys. I hope you guys have a really nice Friday day, and I'll see you guys in a couple weeks with a new video. So adios.